Sagutan natin tong problems. Evaluate the following integral. So let's start with 1. Integral of 3x minus 4 raised to 7 dx. Okay, so pwede tayong gumamit dito ng u substitution. So we usually let u yung mga expression na complicated, or in this case, kapag meron tayong integrals ng algebraic functions, ilalet yun natin yung mga expression na naka-raise sa certain exponent. So dito sa problem natin, meron lang naman tayong 3x minus 4 na naka-raise sa 7. So try nating ilet u yung expression na naka-raise sa 7, which is 3x minus 4. And then after mag-let u, i-derivative natin both sides or get the differential of both sides. So for the differential of u, du lang yan. Okay? Tapos differential naman ng right side 3x minus 4, get the derivative of each term. So derivative of 3x, that's 3, right? Minus derivative of 4, 0. Then lagyan nyo ng dx din, differential dx. So bale magiging du is equal to 3 minus 0, 3, then dx. Okay, ngayon, itatransform natin lahat ng variable in terms of u, pati yung differential. So, di ba yung dx natin dito, na-produce sa derivative, so ito na siya. Pero, meron siyang extra coefficient na 3, which is wala sa original integral. So, alisin natin yung 3 by dividing both sides by 3. Okay? So, magiging du over 3 is equal, so cancel na tong 3, dx na lang. Okay, kung isa-substitute ngayon natin, bale magiging integral ng, so itong 3x minus 4, yan ay ang ating u, right? So magiging simply u na lang siya, then raised to 7. And then itong dx nga, so ito na yung dx natin, dapat maging in terms of du, so equal siya sa du over 3. Okay? So, pwede natin itong i-rewrite as yung over 3, pwede yung maging constant na 1/3 sa gilid, right? So, magiging 1/3 u to the 7 du. So, by property ng integral, kapag meron tayong constant, pwede nyong igilid. So, magiging 1/3 integral ng u to the 7 du. Tapos, apply natin yung power rule. Yung integral ng u to the n du is equal to u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, provided that n is not equal to negative 1. So, bali, we will have 1/3 integral ng u to the 7 du, u to the 7 plus 1 over 7 plus 1 plus c. Or 1/3 u to the 8 over 8 plus c. Tapos, i-multiply natin yung 1/3 times 1/8. Mali, magiging 1 over 24 u to the 8 plus c. Then, ibalik natin yung u in terms of x, 3x minus 4. So, magiging final answer is 1 over 24 u going 3x minus 4 raised to 8 plus c. So, this is the final answer. Okay, for number 2, we have integral ng x squared cube root of 2x cubed plus 5 dx. Okay, so this time, meron tayong cube root. Okay, di ba? Pwede natin yung gawing fractional exponent. So, magiging integral ng x squared. So, 2x cubed plus 5 raised to 1/3. Di ba? Kapag cube root raised to 1/3 dx. So, gamit ulit tayo ng u substitution. So, we let u be equal. So, usually nga, yung expression na naka-raise sa exponent. Bale, itong 2x cubed plus 5 yung naka-raise sa exponent na 1/3. So, try natin yung i-let u 2x cubed plus 5. Okay, and then i-check natin, kapag ba dinifferentiate natin to, mapoproduce yung natirang term sa integral, itong x squared dx. Okay? So, derivative natin both sides, derivative ng u du, derivative ng 2x cubed plus 5. So, yung 2x cubed, derivative niyan is 2 times, derivative ng x cubed is 3x squared, plus derivative ng 5, 0, times dx. So, bale, du is 2 times 3, 6, x squared, tapos itong 0, wala na, dx. So, na-produce ba natin yung x squared dx sa derivative? Yes, ito siya, di ba? Okay. So again, nagkaroon ng extra coefficient na 6 which is hindi natin kailangan kasi wala namang 6 sa original integral. X squared dx lang. So pwede nating eliminate by dividing both sides by 6. Okay? So ang mangyayari niyan, magiging du over 6 is equal to x squared dx. Okay? Tuloy natin dito. So, bale magiging integral, substitute natin ha. So, ito munang 2x cubed plus 5, di ba yun na siya? Ito yon. Okay? Then, raise to 1/3. Tapos, itong natirang to, yung x squared dx nga, ito na siya, du over 6. Okay? So, bale, mamumultiply to sa du over 6. Okay? So, pwedeng i-rewrite to as integral ng yung over 6, 1/6 yan, di ba? U to the 1/3 du. So, integrating, gilid pala muna natin yung 1/6 constant times integral ng u to the 1/3 du. So, 1/6 integral ng u to the 1/3 applying power rule uli na to. Okay, so magiging u to the 1/3 plus 1 over 1/3 plus 1 plus c. So, 1/6 u to the 1/3 plus 1, 4/3 over 1/3 plus 1, 4/3 then plus c. So, simplify natin tong fraction. Complex fraction siya. So, 1/6 divided by 4/3. So, bale, copy the numerator 1/6 times reciprocal ng denominator 4/3. 3/4. 10 times u to the 4/3 plus c. Simplify natin to. So, makakancel si 3, magiging 1. Si 6 cancel, magiging 2. So, bale 1 times 1, 1. Over 2 times 4, 8. U to the 4/3 plus c. Tapos, ibabalik si u as, yung substitution natin kay u is 2x cubed plus 5. So, the final answer is 1/8 times u, which is 2x cubed plus 5 raised to 4/3 plus c. Next, for number 3 tayo. Integral ng 2x minus 4 dx over x squared minus 4x plus 1 to the third. Okay? So, try nating mag-usab, i-let yun natin yung expression na naka-raise sa exponent. Diba itong x squared minus 4x plus 1, naka-raise siya sa 3. So, try nating i-let yun yan, x squared minus 4x plus 1. Then, check natin kung mapoproduce sa derivative nito, yung natirang term, itong x minus 4 dx. So, derivative natin both sides, derivative ng u du, derivative ng x squared minus 4x plus 1. So, sa x squared, that's 2x. Minus derivative ng 4x, 4. Plus derivative ng 1, 0. Lagyan nyo ng dx. Or simplifying, magiging du is 2x minus 4 dx na lang. Diba na-produce natin tong 2x minus 4 dx? Okay. So, pwede nating i-substitute ngayon, magiging integral ng, so sige, 2x minus 4 dx muna, du na lang siya. Okay, over x squared minus 4x plus 1, diba yun na siya. Then, naka-raise sa 3. So, gawin nating negative exponent para ma-apply yung power rule. So, yung 1 over u cubed, same siya sa u to the negative 3 du. So, applying power rule now, integral ng u to the negative 3, u to the negative 3 plus 1 over negative 3 plus 1 plus c. Simplify, u to the negative 3 plus 1, negative 2, over negative 3 plus 1, negative 2 plus c. So, pwede natin gawing positive exponent to. So, bale magiging negative 1 over 2. So, bababa si u, pero mareraise siya sa positive exponent na. So, magiging u squared plus c. Then, yung final step is, ibabalik natin yung u as x squared minus 4x plus 1. Okay, raise to the second power plus c. So, this is the final answer. Try nyo namang sagutan itong integral ng 3x minus 7 raised to the 10 dx and just comment your answers.